Bitcoin is about to create a massive next move. A lot of Bitcoin liquidity is right now piling up above that 100k price level. The Bitcoin funding rates are still trading very low. We have just started the month of December. We are going to need to be talking about that exactly and much more in this update video, because this Bitcoin chart exactly shows us what that next Bitcoin move is going to be. So guys, need to be talking about that exactly. About the altcoin season that is happening right now. Literally, altcoin season has officially been starting. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 200 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And yes, in that short term, Bitcoin is still consolidating. It is right now consolidating inside of this new symmetrical triangle. We are getting squeezed in by this downtrending level of resistance and by this upward sloping level of support. Now yes, one thing is going to be for certain: whenever we are inevitably going to be breaking above this level of resistance over here, well then I think we're going to be seeing a huge Bitcoin short squeeze towards the upside, and we are finally going to be breaking above that golden 100k price level. So that is going to be huge. Whenever we're going to be breaking above this level of resistance, that is going to be absolutely insane. To be prepared for that already. Now, I do think it is going to be inevitable. However, in that imminent short term, maybe we can still be seeing a slight little cool off towards the downside, just like we have seen during last cycle. Of course, right now we are hitting a major psychological level of resistance. We are hitting that 100k level, or we haven't even hit that level just yet. We're just barely touching it, just barely not yet touching it, just like we did during last cycle with that 20k price level, which was a huge psychological level of resistance. We didn't even touch this level of resistance, but still we consolidated below this level, created a higher low over here, and then we exploded towards the upside. So right now I think the same thing is going to be happening. Right now we're just in the process of making this higher low. Now maybe in that imminent short term we're going to be seeing a little bit more of a cool off towards the downside, but inevitably that higher low is going to be getting printed, and then I think we're going to be blasting off towards the upside. And what is going to be very likely in my opinion is that we're going to be coming back down towards this level of support over here, and then we're going to be seeing our big bounce towards the upside. So let's see if that is going to be happening. Yes, in that imminent short term there is a little bit of room to the downside, but yeah, for that larger time frame, of course, we are trading inside of the month of December, and usually Bitcoin has always gone parabolic towards the upside, absolutely exponential in the month of December in Bitcoin halving year. So if Bitcoin history were to be repeated once again, December is expected to be a very bullish Bitcoin month. Now anyways, also do still keep in mind that the momentum is massively towards the upside. I would definitely not go against this trend over here. Of course, keep in mind that the trend is your friend until it ends, but right now it is definitely not yet ending. If we're going to be having a look into a macro time frame, and these macro time frame charts, for example the on-chain indicators, they are still not indicating that we are in this bull market top. So yes, I still do think we can be seeing a lot more momentum towards the upside over here. History is just repeating right now, and if we are going to be having a look into history, well, history is very clearly indicating that we are literally about to go parabolic right now. So guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading right now, that imminent short term, with this huge opportunity coming up with this massive symmetrical triangle breakout, well, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be claiming some huge deposit bonuses, a $2,000 deposit bonus, 10% cash back, and the best thing is over on Blofin, you do not need any KYC. So everyone all around the world is going to be eligible to be signing up over on Blofin, to be trading over on Blofin, to be trading Bitcoin, to be trading altcoins. So Blofin is right now the best option out there if you are going to be getting interested in trading. So definitely make sure to be checking it out with that first link down below, because only then you're going to be eligible for these rewards. Anyways, yeah, yesterday we have once again been seeing a spot Bitcoin ETF inflow looking very good. Of course, this rally towards the upside is mostly being driven by spot Bitcoin ETF inflows. So the more spot Bitcoin ETF inflows are going to be incoming, the more bullish this is going to be for the Bitcoin price. So yeah, as long as this trend over here continues towards the upside, I still think that this Bitcoin rally is not over, that we are still about to be printing some new higher highs. So yeah, still looking very good for the Bitcoin price in my opinion. We are about to be sending it much and much higher. Anyways, having a look in towards Ethereum, I think altcoins are about to be absolutely exploding. Of course, we have just entered the month of December, and always the month of December is a bottoming out month versus the Bitcoin pair. So let's see if that is going to be happening once again. December bottoming out against the Bitcoin pair. Guys, Q4 is always bullish for Bitcoin and the best quarter for Bitcoin, but Q1 is always the best quarter for Ethereum and altcoins. So it is about to be starting once again. People are front running this fact. I've been talking about this many times. I think whenever this Ethereum compared to Bitcoin downtrend is going to be breaking towards the upside, whenever we are going to be breaking this downtrend over here, we are about to be absolutely exploding. This, what we are seeing right now, is absolutely nothing compared to what we are about to see. But Ethereum is right now getting a massive breakout towards the upside. Outside of this inverse head and shoulders, guys, this is looking very good. Altcoin season is literally starting right now. Do not get fooled. Altcoin season is around the corner. I've been saying it many times. 1 month after the US elections, altcoin season is going to be starting it. Exactly 1 month right now after the US elections, well, altcoin season has officially started right now. Altcoins are absolutely exploding like crazy. We're seeing Ondo with 45% up on the day, and many of these other altcoins that I've been talking about for many times, Arbitrum, Sui. I've been talking about all of these altcoins for so many times on this channel. So yes, altcoin season is right now starting, and we are making so much money with altcoin season. You can even be seeing in this chart over here, the total tree is about to be breaking above the previous all-time high, but this is only the beginning of a rally towards the upside. Whenever we're going to be breaking above that previous all-time high, we're going to be sending it much higher. And I know it. I've been saying it during this time over here in September. I've been saying it many times that this is about to happen. And at the time over here, people thought literally I was crazy for calling altcoin season, for calling this insane rally towards the upside. But well, just have a look in towards how this chart played out, right? Right now, it's exactly playing out. So yes, maybe at the time it was looking crazy. Maybe at the time people were thinking I was crazy, but right now it is exactly playing out. So anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. Make sure to be subscribing to my YouTube channel, and guys, I'll see you in another big video tomorrow morning.